Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners. Quick look at Bitcoin Cash. Exploded to the upside, went through all our levels. Our final one was 3,014, which it easily went through. Those levels are completed. Just another projection. Another is 39.24. That's our next projection, but what we're really doing is more focused on trailing a stop. When a move goes vertical like this, there's no knowing when it will end and how it will pull back, but generally it can pull back rather abruptly. So we're watching for any pullbacks. We're just keep, as price goes up, we just keep raising it higher, and then we're watching for a pullback with a close below the 0.125% pullback level. Right now this is at 34.41, but again, that's going to dynamically change if this keeps going higher. And then we'll look to see what happens back in the rotation zone to possibly add back more of that position. So if we hit this 39.24, that's a good place to either move up a stop if you're trailing another way, or take something off the table if it drops below this 34.41, which remember, that will change. If it goes up to the highs, see, that would go up to 35.74. It's really important that you don't try to just pick a top. We're not trying to call a top. You just want to get something out of this move, especially if you're trading. Now, if you're an investor just in it for the long run and you're not going to trade around the position, then you hold it or you take profits whenever you want. You should have probably a strategy for that. But if you're trading, don't just try to guess the tops. The best thing to do is trail a stop. And one of the key ways we do it is this with the 12.5% pullback level from the most recent lows that started this move. So the lows that really started this move were from the 7th of December. And then we just keep ratcheting up. If you want more aggressive, you could go a little more aggressive stop. You could come from the lows that started this kickoff move here from the 17th of December, and you could also trail up like that, which would give you this 35.19 stop. It just depends on your perspective and how aggressive you want to be with the stop. Should it pull back? This keeps you in the game. And then if you get a sudden sharp pullback, then you can look to re-add it either on the 1 hour or the 4 hour rotation zone, depending on the abruptness and severity of the pullback. But remember, it has gone vertical. Let's check in on the daily chart. This puts it into perspective. This is not going to be sustainable, but it's going to keep going as long as people are piling in. So as long as people are piling in, it's going to keep going up. But at some point, people are going to stop piling it in, and you're going to get a quick pullback move. Remember to move back on the 12th of November. See here where we ran up. We essentially opened. Let me see. We opened at 13.30. We ran up to 27.99, and then we closed at 13.60. All right. So can this happen again? Yeah. Are we saying it's going to happen? We don't know. Just be prepared for a sudden possible pullback. Trail a stop, know what level. Hey, if it drops below this, I'm taking some off the table, and I'll wait till it pulls back, and then I can always add it back on. That's our little advice on how to handle these sudden and abrupt vertical moves in not just Bitcoin Cash, but any of these cryptos or any markets, period. Hope everyone's having a lot of success trading the cryptos. Ride it while it lasts, and we will talk to you soon. Bye for now.